Hi friends, again welcome to Start Study and Score. Here today I uploaded some of the formulas. In part 4 I uploaded some of the formulas of some dimensional formulas of some physical quantities. It is a handout and it is my handwritten also. Now I always as always I will request all of you to please share my videos with your friends. It will be very helpful for them, of course for me also, and at the same time please subscribe to my channel so that whatever video I am uploading you will get a notification of that. And let's see what are the handouts. These are the handouts I have written for you. Now the first one is height. Let me make you understand one of this. You can take a screenshot of these things and you can write afterwards. Okay, now height ro formula kichi bhi nahi. It is just taro ame moiti unit lekhichi. These are the units I have written here and here I have written. Now you can see centimeter, meter lekhichi, height, distance, length, all are in centimeter or meter. So basically they are distances. So the dimensional formula will be m will be 0, l will be 1, t will be 0. I have also make you understood in the previous part. You can also refer to that. Area, volume. Volume is centimeter cube, meter cube, length into breadth into height. So there is no m, there is no mass here, there is no time here. So it will be m0, l3, t0. It will be always written inside a square bracket. Okay. So next we will go to velocity. Meter per second, that is distance, displacement by time. I have written the formula for you. So it will be m0 l1 t minus 1. Acceleration, displacement by time square, or s by t square, or v by t. So in this formula we will get m0 l1 t minus 2. Momentum is mass into velocity, which is actually p. The unit I have written here, gram centimeter per second, or in SI unit kg meter per second. So that would be m1 l1 t minus 1. Force is gram centimeter per second square, that is dyne or Newton, that is mass into acceleration. So let me I will clear one force for you so that you will understand. So force is dyne. Okay, let me show you. Force is actually mass into acceleration, and as we know the formula mass into acceleration, mass रहुची ग्राम रे मु लेखि मु जदी CGS यूनिट रे लेखुची ताले लेखि ग्राम into सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. सो ग्राम पाई मु m1 देबी, सेंटीमीटर पाई l1 देबी, पर सेकंड स्क्वायर अच्छी सेति पाई -2 देबी. ओके, और यू कैन सॉल्व दिस वे आल्सो. इटा एसआई रे लिखि दिए. द सेकंड वन केमती सॉल्व करबा सेटा भी देखिए देबी. केजी मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. सो m1 l1 t -2 दीटा जाकर एका ही बाहरिबो. CGS हो कि SI हो, all are same. The dimensional formula will always remains constant irrespective of the measure you are taking, whether it is CGS or SI. Whatever it is, the dimensional formula will stick to its place. Now how to write the formula not knowing the unit. Okay, so let us start कि आमे किछि भी unit गुड़ा जानने. So we will आमे इटा erase कर दबा. We don't know what is the unit of force. Okay, so how to derive it also. Now how to derive it? Mass is m0, mass is m1. So I will write it as m1 l0 t0, right? This will be mass. What will be acceleration? m0 l1 t minus 2. Okay, so if I multiply, what it would be? m1 plus 0 1, l 0 plus 1 1, t 0 plus -2 -2. So the dimensional formula remains same as m1 l1 t minus 2 as we have derived from the units. And you must remember that gram into centimeter per second square equals to 1 dyne. This 1 dyne hochi gram into centimeter divided by second square. Similarly 1 Newton will be 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. Okay, so एठी मु तुमको हैंड आउट टा ऑथर देखौची. मोमेंटम रो मास इनटू वेलोसिटी तुमको ये कहबी निजे निजे भी तुम डिराइव करिया को ट्राई करो. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज ड्रॉप अ कमेंट and we will surely solve it together. Force, work, energy, org and org re joule re baharibo. Force into displacement is work, impulse is force into time, torque is force into displacement. Accordingly the formulas are also the dimensional formulas are also given. Now the second one, density mass per volume m1 l3 t0, pressure force per area, units have been mentioned m1 l minus 1 t minus 2, power work by time org per second or joule per second m1 l2 t minus 3. There is one angle thing here in number 15, radian, so there is no dimension m0 l0 t0. I needed to say this angle ro kichi bi dimension fundamental quantities रे derive हेनी, and angle radian जो आमे लेखुचे सेटा भी गोटे fundamental quantity नुह, सेथि पई आमे कोटा को भी include करी नाहु. Okay, similarly angular displacement, no dimensional formula for that also. Now angular velocity acceleration asla को velocity पाई radian per second, the unit is so per second जोठी asla, that is the fundamental quantity, so t minus 1 asla. देखो m0 l0 t minus 1 लिखिची. Similarly angular acceleration पाई मु m0 l0 t minus 2 लिखिची. Frequency will come in m0 l0 t minus 1 as frequency is 1 by t. Okay, per second, vibration per second. Now this is the last slide of my handout. Surface tension, force per length, dyne per centimeter or Newton per meter. So m1 l0 t minus 2, you can also derive it if you want. Another thing I want to say in 24 number, stress is F by A, which we use regularly, that's why I came here. And strain, stress F by A same as pressure. Strain is change in length divided by original length, so it has got no unit, so no dimensions also. So m0 l0 t0. So strain and angle both are dimensionless, you can say that. There are many other values which have no dimensions. We will discuss it further on our question answer program. Now before that you must take this handout and write in your notebook, or otherwise you can stick it in your chart in a chart paper to the wall, so that whenever you see you will remember it. Now we will in the other next part of this class, in part 5 we will be discussing applications of dimensional formula. And I will expect that you are subscribed here, so that any new video comes or any doubt you have, I'll be surely here to help you. And also at the same time, any doubt you have, please drop it in the question and we will solve it together. Have a good day. Take care.